Hi, good morning, happy Monday. New week, new possibilities. Woo! I forgot the pepper, that's okay. Peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. I just got some 2 eggs and an English muffin. I'm gonna save one. Ooh. God. Okay. Save one for later, though I'm not really gonna hang out today. I'm going to my daughter's today. We're gonna celebrate my granddaughter's birthday, 18. No school. My son-in-law has no work today. Today's Juneteenth, a holiday in the United States. I don't think there's mail. I don't think the banks are open. I put the garbage out, but I doubt it. I doubt they're gonna come, but I said, I'm not gonna be here. Let me put it out just in case. My sister will take it in if it's whatever. Or maybe they'll come tonight, you know. We got birthdays today. Who remembers Mo Howard? What, the Three Stooges? Mo, Larry, Curly, and Shemp, of course, and Joe. Today's Mo's birthday. Paula Abdul, Ann Wilson from Heart, Jean, I'm gonna mess this guy's name up, Jundondine, the artist. I think it's a flower. Jardine. I don't know. Macklemore from Macklemore and Ryan Lewis. Kathleen Turner. Love her. Oh, the Battle of the Roses. And of course, she was, Who Shot Roger Rabbit? She was Mrs. Rabbit. Jessica Rabbit. And Al Wilson. I picked Al Wilson today. He's no longer with us. I picked him. So I hope everybody had a restful night. Did I say that already? Let me try these eggs. You know I overdid them, right? Because I was worrying about the coffee. And then I went and I made the bed. Because you want to leave everything, you know. I don't want to come back to chaos. When I come up tomorrow, I want to walk in and everything looks good. Got my top. Let me see. Did it break? Or is it too done? Oh yeah, it's in there. Good. Today is box day. We played in box. Who didn't play in a box? Everybody plays. Cats love boxes. Martini day. You know I'll be partaking of that today. Take your cat to work. I used to take my daughter to work when it was kids' day. She loved it. Watch day. I used to love a watch. I always wore a watch. My iPhone watch, or whatever you call it. I left it at my daughter's, I don't know, the last time I was there about a month ago. So I hope to pick it up today. Juneteenth day, like I said, today, a special important day. Sickle Cell Awareness Day, also an important day. Free BSD Day, Educational Technology. It's free. It's good. BSD. Very good for everybody. And it's Sauntering Day. So it's slow down and enjoy your surroundings. Enjoy where you are. Enjoy the day. Pay attention. Not for anything bad, you know what I mean? But just pay attention at the joys and the beauty that you surround you. So stop, look, and listen. And and enjoy the day. Enjoy this Monday, the beginning of a new week. This is these old cucumbers are from yesterday. I didn't eat them. All right. Oh, and I got my juice. I forgot my pineapple juice. I have so many. I did give some to my sister. But I still have a lot. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to take you with us. I don't know where we're going. You know, wherever Natalie wants to go, or my son-in-law, because he does the Long Island Local on Instagram. So he knows everything that's happening on the island, anything new. So I'm going to leave it in his hands. And I'm going to take you with us. And we'll enjoy the day together. Wear comfortable clothes and shoes.